Okay, you are the chairman of today's occasion.
Yes.
What is the significance of today's events?
Very significant. Today's occasion is very significant. And mainly there is no rain. Everywhere was right. I'm happy because last year, everywhere was too bad because of rain. But today, there is no rain.
We are talking about the Iriji.
What is the
significance of
importance of Iriji to Igbo community?
Igbo in the importance of Igbo,
Yes,
New Yam Festival in Igbo community is that as soon as you are a farmer and you are farming yam, when you put it to the ground and before you bring it out for the ground and cook it in your house and eat, you must do this New Yam celebration. You must celebrate it. So that by next year, if you go to the family, it will give you more than what you saw.
Chairman, I need to ask you,
Yes. You must, as far as you are a yam farmer, it is a more than you. And as far as you have attained to a certain level of tradition like Igbo or certain or you must perform it before you do that.
Okay, what is your advice today?
My advice today is that mainly to my people, most of us that ate the yam today, some of us, we don't have farm for yam. We just bought from the market and come and roasted it and do the celebration. So my advice is, during the time of farming, let my people that are performing this program today, let them go back to the village, go to the farm and farm the yam. So during the time of eating it, when you come to eat it, you bring it from your own farm, not to buy it from the market, from other people. Some of the yams we eat today, they were bought from North, which is very wrong. So we have to farm it in our own land and bring it by ourselves and roasted it before celebrating it.
Okay, your name again, sir?
Martins, former president, Electrical Glass Association of Nigeria, Aja Alaba International Market, Aja Lagos.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.